Sometimes you may want to have zeros before a number. These are called leading zeros. And there are essentially two ways you can do this in Excel. The first way to show leading zeros is by typing a formula. And the formula I'm going to type is text. And the function text essentially shows a number in a certain format and converts it to a text. The number I want to apply the formatting to is A1, comma, and then a formatting type. And then between double quotes, I'm going to type a number of zeros. If I type 3 zeros, then this means the number will show at least 3 digits. Double quote again and close parentheses, enter. And then copy down this formula. Now these numbers are aligned to the right side of the cell and these are aligned to the left side of the cell, which indicates that these numbers are now converted to text. I'm going to delete these formulas, delete. The second way to show leading zeros is by applying a custom number format. Select all the numbers, then in the home ribbon, go to number formatting and choose more number formats. Then in the tab number, choose the custom category and delete the word general. Now type 3 zeros, and this means that the numbers must consist of at least 3 digits. And for my first number, I see a sample here of what it will look like once I press OK. Then press OK. And now all my numbers have at least 3 digits. And there's one big difference with the previous method. These numbers are all aligned to the right of the cell, which means they are not text, they are still numbers, and you can still do calculations with them. And these were the two ways you can add leading zeros to your numbers.